welcome to 1105 Stone Cottage Lane. I'm Linda Roundtree with the Grizak Group, and I'm excited to take you through this elegant home today. Come on in. As we walk in, you'll see we're in this spectacular foyer, which has a gorgeous winding staircase. And to the right, we have a formal dining and formal living room. Beautiful light fixtures that are contemporary and on trend, going with that new mixed metals feel. Hardwood floors are also throughout the whole home on the first floor. Here you can see the beautiful front double door from inside the foyer, and to the left we have this spectacular winding staircase, all hardwood treads, beautiful wrought iron balustrades that lead up to the second floor with a domed ceiling feature. And here we're in our private study, which is fabulous. Again, we've got lots of built-ins, paneled walls, a coffered ceiling up above, and two sets of French doors that open out to your front patio. Just a great office space. As we head in here, this is the master suite. First we have a wet bar area, once again with that same dimensional basket weave backsplash. Hardwood floors in the master suite. Lots of windows. Just look out on your outdoor living area. Huge master suite with sitting area. And then if we walk this way, we'll see the phenomenal master bath, which is spa worthy. Each two sinks and a jetted tub, and then take a peek at that shower. And here we go into the family room, which has a spectacular beamed ceiling, bright open, once again more hardwood floors, double French doors that lead to your backyard living area with a pool and a gazebo, which we'll get to later. This here is a wood burning fireplace, cast stone with some really nice features and custom work that you don't generally see in most homes. Our kitchen is this way, and you'll see that nothing has been left out here. We've got commercial grade Wolf range cooktop. We have Bosch dishwasher, built-in stainless steel sub-zero refrigerator. The backsplash, as you can see, it's dimensional. It is a basket weave pattern. Of course, built-in microwave, tons of cabinets. And then we walk into the sous-kitchen, which has another full sink and a second dishwasher, refrigerated doors, drawers that pull out, and double ovens. We're going to walk through this way, through our sitting area, breakfast area, and then cut outside. The entire back patio is travertine pavers. We've got a covered area when you first walk out, and once again those French doors that lead to the family room. Beautiful arched cast stone openings that lead to the pool area. We've got a couple of steps. We've got a tiered outdoor living area, and then to the right there is our gazebo covered, and then an open pergola area as well with a built-in grill, bar. There's electric here, so you have your TV, everything you could want in a backyard area. Gorgeous pool with spa. This lot is one of the biggest lots in this particular subdivision. It's almost an acre. Lots of privacy, lots of greenery. Thank you for touring this home with us today. Once again, the home is at 1105 Stone Cottage Lane in McKinney. That is in Lovejoy ISD, which is one of the top school districts in the state of Texas. The home is almost 6,000 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, and 2 half baths. If you have any questions or you'd like more information, please contact me at 214-500-3281 or linda@gazette.com. Thank you.